Dagcoin, connecting the world. Developed in Estonia, well-known tech innovation hub of the world. Our technology, one of the most advanced in the world, DAG-chain. Our mission is to provide an alternative currency for everyday use. Dagcoin as cryptocurrency. If you have access to the internet, you can use it. Decentralized, continuous development, eco-friendly, transactions 24/7, fast and cheap transactions, secure, easy to use, everyday currency to pay anywhere with a mobile phone. No need to carry your cards or wallet, only your phone. Dagcoin will be the most widely used cryptocurrency worldwide. This is our vision. With a vast ecosystem, games, shops, financial services, payment solutions. We educate people and reward them with our currency for free. Great investments in continuous development to use the most innovative technology. We don't know what Dagcoin will be like after 1 or 2 years, but we know that it will always have the best and most innovative features. DAG is the future of finance and cryptocurrencies. We have a burning desire to make a difference.